Welcome to a new episode of Will It Theme. So right now guys, as you can see, it's 33 Celsius outside. It's absolutely crazy. I'm using One UI8. This is the 7th test firmware, the S25 version, right? So this is not the One UI8 Beta 1. It's something that came after this, but it's also not the One UI Beta 2, okay? So this is not the official one, it's the test firmware. And what I want to do is just a simple check if Samsung are trying to manage the thermal throttling in a different way compared to how things have been with One UI 7. And for this, guys, I just want to set some things straight. So right now I'm gonna open Good Guardians because I do believe you need to know this. So inside Thermal Guardian, I'm using a +2 Celsius, which means that the phone will tolerate more heat. The standard setting will be this, but I'm using +2. And also what I'd like you to see is inside display, right? If I disable the adaptive brightness, I'm having the extra brightness, all right? So I do have adaptive brightness and it's on. There is something called video brightness, all right? And the video brightness is now set to normal, but I'm going to use bright. So we do have here YouTube. So what I'm going to do right now, guys, I'm going to just open a YouTube video and I'm going to try to play it for you. I'm going to check and make sure that we're using the 4K resolution. And the idea will be to just understand how much the phone can survive. Now, guys, it's absolutely crazy out there. I mean, I'm not lying to you. Like, this is just me sweating on the balcony. It's absolutely insane. I'm using a very simple tool here so that you have more access to the screen, and I'll probably also try to zoom it up so that you can closely see what happens. Now, the good news is, guys, yeah, this is 2x now. It is still viewable. And by the way, it is already 5 p.m. so it's not even so much like direct sunlight, but I do still believe that the sun is hitting the screen, and this is it, guys. The idea is how long can the phone survive. Now this video is like 5 minutes, and barely with One UI 7 I have moments where even past like I have something here on the balcony that is black and it's so hot I cannot even touch it. Absolutely crazy, guys. But going back to One UI 7 and some of my One UI 7 testing with different firmwares on the S25 Ultra, yeah, I have had some best scenarios. So the fact that this is still viewable, right, is not that bad. And alright, this would be like direct sunlight, but in direct sunlight it's, yeah, you're not able to see anything. So we are still in the game. I'm here with my gun, guys. Yeah, 47.3, and we are still in the business. And speaking about black metal on my balcony, guys, the balcony, this is not the phone, the balcony is at 50 Celsius. So it has been really one of the hottest days during this year. Oh, it's crazy, it's crazy. I can tell you, guys, it is, I'm not joking, one more time. I mean, you can just see this is real sweat, right? It's absolutely insane. I've been biking with the kids today, so I said, okay, today is a good example. Let's try to see how much can the S25 Ultra survive. 47.1. So I'm just thinking right now, this is as much as the phone can do, you know, without rooting it and disabling thermal management. The good thing is that with these settings, I'm still able to see what happens, and I can show you this is right now direct sunlight, and it's very sad that I don't really have the One UI 7 anymore on the S25 Ultra to understand if something is really better with One UI 8. But honestly, guys, so far I think it's great, and not that, but I think now it even is more brighter than in the beginning. 47.8. You can see that's insane, guys. This is really insane. This is very hot. And I'm shooting this video almost like 8 minutes, so let's say we definitely almost played like for 4 minutes. So I'm gonna keep this on and put it from repeat when we reach to the end and play it one more time, just to try to understand if the S25 Ultra will survive. Let me show you something, guys. I'm going to measure the surface here, right? This is the surface. So the surface is 44. So like the phone, all right, it's just on a furnace, and I'm just using this clip here so that you can align it better to the screen and see it. But it's very hot, guys. It is, even right now I'm checking, guys, it's 33 Celsius. Now I know if you live in India or in any other country where you get like 40 and close to the sea, yeah, it can't even be worse than this, so I'm not complaining. It's usually how it goes, but it's too early in June for that like crazy furnace weather. Okay, we're still there, and the S25 Ultra is not giving up. 48, guys. I'm gonna replay the video as I told you. 48. I want to check if we're really using the 4K. Yep, it's 4K 60 FPS. It's HDR. You know, let me just put it like this for your viewing pleasure. 48 Celsius. What I can tell you is this is really a lot for the S25 Ultra, for any like Samsung phone with stock thermal management. 47.5. And I know some of you will say, yeah, it's not against the sun. It is against the sun, guys. And I can tell you, even the phone, let me just show you guys. I'm going to measure here on the back of the phone, guys. 48.5. It's absolutely nuts. But the good news is the phone survives. Let's see for how long, by the way. I'm gonna try to align this again. The video is now on for almost 10 minutes, from which, let's say, at least 7 minutes is YouTube playback, 4K HDR 60 FPS. I'm gonna show once more. I'm not joking, I keep sweating. I feel like somebody's torturing me. I don't have a head on. It's insane. I mean, it's really insane, guys. But then again, right, I'm not the important part here. This thing is, and from what okay, I think now something happened. You know what, maybe my Wi-Fi is not that great, so what I'm gonna do right now, I'm gonna make it, oh my god, you see, yes, I'm gonna make it even tougher. So what I'm gonna do, I'm going to kill the Wi-Fi and remain on 5G and continue on 5G. Let's make sure we are using 2K 4K. Sorry, we are. Oh my god, I'm not sure if I can. I mean, maybe the phone will survive, but I cannot. 49.3, guys. This is absolutely nuts. It's almost 50 Celsius. I mean, when was the last time, guys, you've seen a Samsung phone stock working with almost 50 Celsius and not just giving you a message that the phone is fried? This is insane, you know. And I'm not really sure if something has been made better with Android 16 or with One UI 8, or it's only because I'm using 2 Celsius plus on the thermal threshold. But honestly, the phone is not dimming and the video is already for like 11 minutes. So, you know, what I'm gonna do right now, I'm gonna keep the video on, and what I would like to do, okay, I'm going to do, oh my god, the phone, like, I have to show you guys. Let's do a measurement here, if my phone allows me. Alright, 50, guys, you can see it is 50.3. so this is absolutely insane. What I wanted to do is I wanted to take a measurement on Geekbench as I'm doing a YouTube video, same time. Yeah, you know, I mean, don't do this, guys, with your phones. It's not worth it, honestly. I know I'm gonna get a bad result, but I'm just doing it to see if any of this will crash. And remember, I'm now using the phone on 5G, but because it's 50 Celsius, the phone dropped and we are now on 4G. The video is still playing. By the way, you can see something is off because I'm not able to perform the test or whatsoever. Jesus Christ, what is happening here? The test is not... Oh, I am at... Oh, okay. Well, here it is, guys. I think we killed it. Yeah, let me go back to 1x. Finally, we got the message. Multi-window closed. It's too hot. But hey, you know, the video was just fine. And we end up at 51.7. Alright, guys, I'm going to abort everything right now and I'm gonna go inside because I don't really think this is good for my phone. You know, it was worth doing the test. The main takeaway is that I'm not sure, is it Android 16 or is it One UI 8? But hey, it wasn't dimming that much and it survived with almost like 50 Celsius, and it only died when it went to like 52, and that's a lot. 54, what? Oh my god, guys, we have 54 Celsius, man. I know it's the sun and the heated side. You know, I'm going to abort it. Alright, thank you so much for watching, guys. Before it's too late, stay safe, PST over. And before I say bye, yeah, one last test, guys. With 54 Celsius, screen isn't that bad. I mean, we can still see something. But the phone is, I'm barely able to hold the phone in my hands. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you like videos like this, you know what to do. Stay safe. And guys, a shout out to the S24 Ultra that was doing this video. 48 Celsius, absolutely insane. The S24 Ultra is absolutely melting in my hand, but almost 50 Celsius on the front, guys. The S24 Ultra almost melted outside shooting like 15 minutes, 4K 30 FPS, but it survived. Again, thank you so much for watching, guys. Stay safe. VST over.
And bye!
Bye.